the range of the function y equals f of x equals the secant of x. Remember, when we're looking at the range, we're asking the question, what values can y take on? Start by writing this function out. Y equals f of x equals the secant of x. You know that the definition of the secant is 1 over the cosine of x. Now, you know that the cosine of x is defined for all values of x, and we also know that the cosine is going to have a range from -1 to +1. So what we need to think about here is, what is the reciprocal of some function which lies between -1 and +1? Well, when you think about that a little while, what's going to happen is you're going to realize that the range of the function will be all real numbers, but they will be restricted. And they will be restricted in that y has to be less than or equal to -1, or y has to be greater than or equal to 1. As a simple example here, if the cosine of x happens to be equal to 1/2, then 1 over 1/2 gives you 2, and that falls out here in this range. So there is the range of y equals the secant of x.